Hi, I'm Sharon Bill. Welcome to my Theory Tuition series where I'll work with you step by step through each of the ABRSM Theory grades. We're now going to complete the third paper of this Grade 2 2016 set of past papers. There are loads of resources available to help you on my website. If you visit sharonbill.com, you'll find some free PDF information sheets. They're available in US letter or A4, and they accompany each step of this series. Everything that you need to understand can be found within these documents. There's also a page with links to all of my YouTube video tutorials, and you can access information about the books that I have available. I've written How to Take Your ABRSM Music Theory Exam, and it's full of tips and techniques on how to best prepare for your exam, and also how to best make use of the exam time once you're actually taking the paper. So if you visit sharonbill.com, it's all there for you. If you can give me a like, that'd be fab, and subscribe to my channel to keep updated. There's loads more to come. But for now, if you'll turn with me in your booklet to page 12, I think. Yes, to page 12, and we'll have a look at this final question of paper C. So this was sat in the last exam session of 2016. There we go. So I do recommend that you try this paper on your own first of all. It's always better to learn by your mistakes. You only have a writing and pencil. It doesn't matter if you've gone wrong. Have a nice sharp pencil, an eraser and a ruler to hand. And now if you've gone through this paper yourself first of all, and now I'll just check through these answers with you and explain how to get full marks on each of these questions. So all of the questions on this page are referring back to this little extract of music at the top of the page. Now, section A has got some Italian musical terms and some performance directions. Now, in the papers from 2018 onwards, all of these will now be presented in multiple choice format, so you won't need to write the full definition. It'll be as a multiple choice, but we'll go ahead and write the definitions here because it's good revision for you. There's no shortcut but to just keep learning all of these terms, because bear in mind it's all of grade 1 and all of grade 2 now. I suggest that you group them thematically and even colour code them, whatever it takes to help you to really thoroughly learn all of these musical terms and directions. So andante means at a steady walking pace. It's a tempo direction. Maestoso means majestic. P is short for piano. However, we haven't fully explained that yet. We need to say what it means, and it means softly or quietly. Cantabile means in a singing manner. And this little symbol here, it looks like a hairpin just sort of closing away. It's the symbol for diminuendo. But what it actually means is gradually getting quieter. It's important that you say gradually. Gradually getting quieter. There we go. Next section, so section B. How many times does this rhythm occur? So the pitch doesn't matter, but the rhythm of a 1 beat, a 3/4 and a quarter. So just visually we need to scan through and count how many times that occurs. So we've got 1 beat, 3/4, quarter. That's the rhythm that we're looking for. So it's once, twice, 3 times. So the answer there is 3. Just keeping your eyes peeled really. Next question. The melody is in the key of A minor. Give the number of a bar that contains all the notes of the tonic triad in this key. So it may not be in the correct order that you're used to, but as long as all the notes are there. So remember that the tonic triad is built of the first, the third and the fifth. So if we're in A minor, A is the first, C is the third and E is the fifth. So we need to find a bar that's got A, C and E in it. It's got to have all of those. We're in bass clef, and here is an A, here is an E, all cows eat, here is a C. So there's the answer. It's got to have every single note of the triad in there. So bar 2. answers that question. Okay, next question. Which other key has the same key signature as A minor? A minor is related to C major, so that's your answer, and they both have a key signature of nothing. No sharps, no flats. Next one, answer true or false to this sentence. The last note of the melody should be played with a slight pressure. The last note of the melody here. So that little symbol there does mean to play with a slight pressure. It's sometimes called a tenuto mark. It usually means that it's full value, it's separated, so it's not staccato, it's not shortened in value, but it's given an extra pressure. Not enough to be sort of like the thump of an accent, but a slight pressure, so true. Question 5. Draw a circle around two notes next to each other that are a fifth apart. So we need to look and find something that's kind of quite a jump apart. Here we go. So here we have the lowest note, 1, 3, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we need to draw a circle around those two notes. There we go. And so the last part of this, we just have to read carefully what's required here. It says copy out the music from the start of bar 1 to the end of bar 4 exactly as it's written. So we get 10 marks for just copying. Don't forget the clef, the time signature, the tempo marking, the dynamics and all other details. The stave is written above so we can conveniently compare here. So we're going from the start of bar 1 to the end of bar 4. And so I'm going to just draw the bar lines in and align it so that I don't lose track where I am and I'm not going to run out of space. I shall position it exactly as they've done. Don't forget the last bar, it's easy to forget that and lose points. So we're in the bass, we need the clef. The key signature, there is none. So the time signature is next. The tempo marking, andante, maestoso. And then I just need to copy. I think I've done that a bit close, haven't I? Let's just move that up a bit. There's not going to be room for the slur mark. Andante, that's what you write in pencil. Maestoso, there we go. That will be tied, so I'll do that now. You can copy in any order you like, really, just as long as it all goes down. I prefer to do the note heads first, and I'm aligning it exactly so I don't lose track where I am. Okay, so now I need to do the stems. Dotted stems. It's really important that you've got a very sharp pencil here, because it does say that marks will be given for neatness and accuracy, so there's no excuse really to throw any marks away by not taking your time. So use a ruler as much as you feel necessary. So here we need to write P for piano cantabile, and then that's tied, that's slurred, slid. There we go, and there's 10 marks for that. Let's just check. If you're really not sure, you could even put the bar numbers in just so you don't lose track where you are. It's not absolutely necessary, but there's no reason why not. I think that's it. There we go then. So that's the end of that question, and that's the end of that paper also. I do hope that's been helpful to you. If you can give me a like, that would be fab, and subscribe to my channel to keep updated. I hope you're enjoying this. I hope it's beneficial to you. And please do go to sharonbill.com. There's loads there for you. Please make use of that. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye.